Compound interest won't make you rich. Here's something every finance teacher, every personal finance YouTuber, and every motivational poster gets completely wrong. Compound interest alone will not make you wealthy. I know you've heard your whole life that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Einstein supposedly said that, though he probably didn't. And yes, compound interest is real and powerful. But there's a step before it that almost nobody talks about. And if you miss it, you can invest for 30 years and still end up broke. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that step is and what I would do differently if I were starting from zero today in 2026. The problem: why most people never build wealth. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Here's the reality. According to recent surveys, nearly 4 in 5 Americans live paycheck to paycheck, including people earning over $100,000 a year. In the UK, nearly half of adults have less than £1,000 in savings. It's not an income problem, it's a system problem. These are not lazy people. These are not stupid people. These are people who were never taught the actual rules. And the number one rule that nobody teaches is this: you cannot invest your way out of a negative savings rate. Compound interest only works if you have money to put in. And most people never get to that step because their expenses expand to eat every raise, to every bonus, every extra dollar they ever earn. That trap has a name: a lifestyle inflation. And it's the real reason the average person never builds wealth. Step 1, the foundation. What I do first: simple flow, income, gap, wealth. If I were starting from zero today, the very first thing I would do is not open an investment account. It's not download a budgeting app. It's calculate one number: my savings rate. Take your monthly take-home income. Subtract your total monthly expenses. Whatever's left, that gap expressed as a percentage of your income, is your savings rate. And this single number predicts your financial future more accurately than your salary, your job title, or anything else. And savings rate table. Here's what the math actually looks like. Savings rate of 5%. You need 66 years to retire. Savings rate of 20%, 37 years. Savings rate of 40%, 22 years. Savings rate of 60%, 12 years. Same salary, completely different futures. The goal is not to hit a specific number. The goal is to protect the gap between what comes in and what goes out, and grow it over time. Even moving from 5% to 10% cuts years off your timeline. Here's the fastest way to do that without tracking every dollar. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck arrives, an automatic transfer moves a fixed amount to a separate savings account. Before bills, before groceries, before anything. What's left is what you live on. Start with whatever you can, even $50 per paycheck. Then increase it by every time you feel comfortable. Most people who do this never notice the difference in their day-to-day life, but the difference in their account balance after 12 months is significant. Step 2, the debt trap and how to escape it. Credit card interest visualization. $5,000 debt. 24% APR. Now let's talk about the thing that makes saving nearly impossible for most people: high interest debt. Here's a number most people have never calculated for themselves. If you have $5,000 in credit card debt at 24% interest and you only pay the minimum, it will take 17 years to pay it off. And you'll pay $4,823 in interest, almost doubling the original amount. $5,000 debt, $9,823 total paid. 17 years. Banks are not evil, but they are businesses, and their business model depends on you carrying a balance. The minimum payment is specifically designed to keep you paying interest for as long as possible while feeling like you're making progress. That's not a conspiracy. It's printed in your cardholder agreement. Minimum payment equals maximum profit for the bank. Here's what I would do instead. The method that actually works, not the one that sounds best in theory. List every debt you have. Pay the minimum on everything. Then take every extra dollar and throw it at your smallest balance first, regardless of interest rate. Pay it off completely. Then take that payment and add it to the next smallest balance. Repeat. This is the debt snowball. Mathematically, the avalanche method, attacking highest interest first, saves more money. But research from the Harvard Business Review found that people who use the snowball are significantly more likely to become completely debt-free. Because the early wins build momentum that keeps you going. One non-negotiable rule: stop adding to debt while paying it off. Cut up the card, freeze it, whatever it takes. You can't empty a bathtub with the tap still running. Step 3. Now compound interest actually works compound interest chart. To investors, 10-year gap. This is where we come back to compound interest and why it's powerful but not magic. Two people. Both invest $300 per month at a 7% average annual return. Person A starts at 22. Person B starts at 32, just 10 years later. At 65, Person A, $735,000. Person B, $340,000. The 10-year gap costs $395,000. Not money, time. That $395,000 difference is not from investing more. It's from starting earlier. And that's why compound interest is powerful, but only if you have cleared the path first. If you're carrying $8,000 in credit card debt at 22% while investing $100 a month in a Roth IRA, earning 7%, you're losing money on net. Pay the debt first. Here's the exact sequence I'd follow starting today. Step 1, $1,000 emergency fund first, before anything else. This single step stops you from going back into debt every time something unexpected happens. Step 2, 401k employer match. If your employer matches your contributions, get every dollar of that match before doing anything else. A 50% match is an immediate 50% return. Nothing in investing beats it. Step 3, pay off high-interest debt above 7% using the snowball method aggressively before investing more. Step 4, Roth IRA. Open one. Contribute what you can, even $50 a month. Money grows completely tax-free for decades. In 2026, the contribution limit is $7,000 per year. Step 5, index funds. Inside your Roth IRA or 401k, invest in low-cost index funds that track the S&P 500. The average annual return over 90-plus years is approximately 10%. Stop trying to pick stocks. Stop trying to time the market. Boring wins every time. The 5-step sequence as a clean checklist. The action plan. This week, 5-step checklist animation. Here's exactly what to do in the next 7 days, not eventually this week. Day 1, calculate your savings rate. Income minus expenses divided by income. One number, 10 minutes. Day 2, set up one automatic transfer to a separate savings account. Even $25. Do it before you spend anything else this week. Day 3, list every debt, balance, interest rate, minimum payment. One sheet of paper. Day 4, make one extra payment on your smallest balance. Whatever you can. Day 5, if you don't have one, open a Roth IRA. Fidelity and Schwab both have $0 minimum to open. Text, progress beats perfection. Start now. You don't need to do everything at once. You need to start the sequence and trust the process. The people who build real wealth are not smarter than you. They just started earlier and didn't stop. Before you go, I put together a free 30-day savings challenge that walks you through the first step of this system, saving your first $1,000 with daily micro tasks that take less than 5 minutes. The link is in the description. It's completely free. And if you want the complete step-by-step program, every tool, every template, and the exact sequence we covered today, the Financial Freedom Blueprint is linked below as well. Next video. Subscribe. If this video helped, the next one on this channel answers the question I get most. Why does the debt payoff method that saves the most money on paper actually fail most people in real life? And what works instead? Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you there.